Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to save as an Excel workbook. Drag and drop workbook open action from activities. Drag and drop workbook save as action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set WorkbookPath property of workbook open action. Set WorkbookName property of workbook save as action. Select SaveFormat property of workbook save as action. Set WorkbookName's property of workbook save as action. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.